Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to JKSST classes. Hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your studies with JKSST classes. So guys, in the last video, we were discussing about Rao Chandra Sen and along with that, rising of Bikaner. We discussed that Rai Singh was the pioneer of Maharana Pratap who struggled for the freedom, who didn't sacrifice his freedom, who struggled against Akbar, and in this way a lifetime struggle he made against the Mughals. After that we discussed about Rai Singh of Bikaner, who became the ruler of Bikaner after the death of Kalyanmal Rathod, who was a faithful courtier of Akbar. Akbar adorned him with the title of Rai, and along with that he also provided him the region of Junagadh, Nurpur, Samshabad. Rai Singh was a great architect, great scholar, and along with that he was also the founder of Bikaner style of painting. So guys, here in this video we are going to discuss about Savai Jai Singh second. Okay, so if we talk about the present Rajasthan, then the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, and this Jaipur was founded by Savai Jai Singh or Jai Singh II. Along with that, Jai Singh played a very important role in the Mughal successive struggles that took place in the history of Mughals after the death of Aurangzeb, means after 1707 Common Era. So Jai Singh was a very prominent figure of Indian history, and here in this video we are going to discuss about that. Okay, Savai Jai Singh or Jai Singh II. Okay, Jai Singh took birth on 3rd September 1688 Common Era. Okay, his father was Bisan Singh, means Jai Singh was the son of Bisan Singh. Okay, if we talk about the initial life of Savai Jai Singh, then in the initial life his name was Vijay Singh and his brother's name was Jai Singh, but influenced by his bravery, Aurangzeb named him as Jai Singh and his brother as Vijay Singh. Okay, so initially Jai Singh was Vijay Singh and Vijay Singh was Jai Singh, but as Aurangzeb changed them in this way, Vijay Singh became Jai Singh and Jai Singh became Vijay Singh. Is that clear? Okay. Jai Singh became the ruler of Jaipur after the death of his father Bisan Singh, who died in 1699. Okay, and after the death of Bisan Singh on 19th September 1699, Jai Singh became the ruler of Jaipur, or we can say that the ruler of Amir. Is that clear, guys? Jai Singh played a very important role in the successive battle that took place in the history of Mughals after the death of Aurangzeb. Means Aurangzeb died in 1707, and after that a successive struggle took place between the sons of Aurangzeb, and in that battle Savai Jai Singh played a very important role. Okay, so Aurangzeb had 4 sons. Aurangzeb died in 1707 Common Era. He had 4 sons. Okay, Muazzam, Azam, Akbar and Kambas. Okay, 4 sons of Aurangzeb. मुअज्जम, आजम, Akbar and Kambaks. Okay, if we talk about these four, then Akbar went Persia. Kambaks was not interested in rule, so a battle took place between Muazzam and Azam. Okay, a battle in 1707 Common Era at Jajau Plain. Okay, at Jajau Plain in UP. A successive battle took place between Muazzam and Azam. In this battle, Jai Singh supported Azam. On the other hand, Muazzam joined hand with Vijay Singh. Vijay Singh, the brother of Jai Singh. Is that clear? In this battle, Muazzam was the winner. Means Azam was defeated by Muazzam, and after this victory, Muazzam renamed him as Bahadur Shah first. Okay, Bahadur Shah the first, and renamed Jaipur as Islamabad and then Mominabad. Okay, and made Vijay Singh as the ruler of Jaipur, or we can say that he made Vijay Singh as the ruler of Amer. Is that clear? After that, Jai Singh and Ajit Singh, the ruler of Jodhpur, was appointed. They were appointed as governor in South. They both got annoyed with Bahadur Shah first, and they both decided to revolt against Bahadur Shah first. Okay, and for this they asked help from Amar Singh II. Amar Singh II, the ruler of Mewar. Amar Singh II put a condition in front of Savai Jai Singh and Ajit Singh that if Jai Singh II would marry his daughter Chandra Kumari, only then he would help Jai Singh and Ajit Singh. Is that clear? After that, Jai Singh accepted that condition, and a pact named Debari Pact was signed between Jai Singh II and Amar Singh II. Okay, according to this pact, Jai Singh II married with the daughter of Amar Singh II, Chandra Kumari. Okay, and in this way Amar Singh II got ready to help Jai Singh and Ajit Singh. When Bahadur Shah first came to know about that, means about that pact which was signed between Jai Singh and Amar Singh, then he got annoyed first, and then he forgave both Ajit Singh and Jai Singh, and he returned their region back. Is that clear? So in this way, that was the first part of the life of Jai Singh as a ruler. Means after becoming the ruler, who took part in the successive battle. Okay, so role of Jai Singh in the successive battle of Mughals. Is that clear? तो सिंपल सा पॉइंट ये है कि जय सिंह जन्म 3 सितंबर 1688, सन ऑफ बिशन सिंह. पहले जय सिंह का नाम विजय सिंह और विजय सिंह का नाम जय सिंह था. ओके, बट उसकी ब्रेवरी से इन्फ्लुएंस होकर के औरंगजेब ने विजय सिंह को जय सिंह बना दिया, जय सिंह को विजय सिंह बना दिया. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. बिशन सिंह की डेथ होती है 19 सितंबर 1699 को, और 19 सितंबर 1699 को ही जय सिंह सेकंड का कॉरोनेशन होता है, यानी जय सिंह नेक्स्ट कछवाहा रूलर बनता है. ठीक है. औरंगजेब की डेथ होती है 1707 में. औरंगजेब की 4 सन्स थे, अकबर, मुअज्जम, आजम एंड कामबख्श. अकबर पर्शिया चला गया, कामबख्श रूल में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था, तो अब सक्सेसिव बैटल होता है मुअज्जम और आजम के बीच में. जय सिंह सपोर्टेड आजम, जय सिंह ने आजम को सपोर्ट किया, और मुअज्जम जॉइन हैंड विद जय सिंह ब्रदर विजय सिंह. उन्होंने विजय सिंह के जय सिंह के भाई विजय सिंह से जॉइन हैंड किया, उनके साथ में उसको अपने साथ में मिला लिया. ओके. इस बैटल में जीतता है मुअज्जम, और आफ्टर बिकमिंग द रूलर उसने अपना नाम चेंज किया मुअज्जम से बहादुर शाह फर्स्ट, ओके। और उसने जय सिंह को आमेर से हटाया और विजय सिंह को आमेर का रूलर बना दिया। आमेर का नेम भी चेंज किया, पहले इस्लामाबाद फिर मोमिनाबाद। और उसने जय सिंह को साउथ में अजीत सिंह के साथ में गवर्नर अपॉइंट कर दिया। अजीत सिंह एंड जय सिंह बोथ जॉइन हैंड्स, और इन दोनों ने सोचा टू रिवॉल्ट अगेंस्ट बहादुर शाह फर्स्ट, ओके। एंड फॉर दैट दे आस्क्ड हेल्प फ्रॉम अमर सिंह, उन्होंने अमर सिंह से हेल्प मांगी। अमर सिंह सेकंड ने कंडीशन रखी कि यदि जय सिंह सेकंड मैरी करता है, इफ ही विल मैरी विद द डॉटर ऑफ अमर सिंह सेकंड चंद्र कुंवरी, और साथ में कंडीशन ये भी थी कि चंद्र कुंवरी का जो संतान होगी, चंद्र कुंवरी की संतान, वही नेक्स्ट आमेर रूलर होगी, यानी जय सिंह की सक्सेसर बनेगी, ओके। आफ्टर दैट अमर सिंह एंड जय सिंह बोथ साइन देबारी पैक्ट, देबारी समझौता हुआ, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पैक्ट अमर सिंह accepted to provide help to जय सिंह सेकंड, ओके। जब बहादुर शाह फर्स्ट को इन सब के बारे में पता चलता है, देन बहादुर शाह गॉट annoyed, he got furious and finally he forgave both जय सिंह सेकंड एंड अजीत सिंह। इज दैट क्लियर? ओके। इसके बाद में अमर सिंह सेकंड की बेटी चंद्र कुंवरी की मैरिज जय सिंह से हो जाती है। अजीत सिंह को जोधपुर और जय सिंह को वापस आमेर या जयपुर रीजन मिल जाता है। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ जय सिंह, ओके। जय सिंह एंड द सक्सेसिव बैटल, इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ द सेकंड पॉइंट रिलेटेड विद द हिस्ट्री ऑफ जय सिंह, which is जय सिंह second and the Bharatpur revolt, okay. Chudaman, a Jat leader, revolted in Bharatpur. Muhammad Shah और बादशाह रंगीला sent Jai Singh to crush that revolt. In 1722, we can say that to crush that revolt, Muhammad Shah, Badshah Rangila appointed Jai Singh second. Okay, Jai Singh used his diplomacy, joined hand with Badan Singh, the nephew of Chudaman, and finally threw Chudaman out of Bharatpur. He adorned Badan Singh with Deeg Jagir and provided him the title of Brijraj. Okay, with the crush of Jat revolt, Muhammad Shah or Badshah Rangila was very happy and he adorned Jai Singh with the new title named Raj Rajeshwar Sri Rajadhiraj Savai. Okay, and from that day Jai Singh second became famous as Savai Jai Singh because of the title of Savai provided by Muhammad Shah or Badshah Rangila. Okay, so Savai Jai Singh and the Bharatpur revolt. Okay, the revolt was under the leadership of Chudaman, and Chudaman जाट लीडर था जिसने मुगल एम्पायर के अगेंस्ट रिवॉल्ट किया था। इस रिवॉल्ट को क्रॉस करने के लिए 1722 में मोहम्मद शाह ने अपॉइंट किया, बादशाह रंगीला ने अपॉइंट किया था जय सिंह को। ओके, जय सिंह ने अपनी तरफ मिलाया बदन सिंह को, हु वाज अ नेफ्यू ऑफ चूड़ामन। ओके, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट इसने चूड़ामन को भरतपुर से बाहर निकाल दिया। ओके, आफ्टर दैट बदन सिंह को जय सिंह ने टाइटल दिया ब्रिजराज का। ओके, एडॉर्न हिम विद द टाइटल ऑफ ब्रिजराज, और इसके साथ साथ जय सिंह ने इसको डीग जागीर या जो डीग रीजन है वो भी प्रोवाइड किया था। ठीक है, और इस रिवॉल्ट को क्रश करने की वजह से मोहम्मद शाह जय सिंह से खुश होता है एंड ही अडॉर्न जय सिंह विद द टाइटल ऑफ सवाई। ओके, राजाधिराज, राज राजेश्वर, राजाधिराज सवाई। तो इसी दिन से जय सिंह सेकंड फेमस हो जाता है सवाई जय सिंह के नाम से। ओके, सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विद रिलेटेड विद द हिस्ट्री ऑफ सवाई जय सिंह। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनिशियल लाइफ ऑफ जय सिंह, देन गाइज ये जो भी डिस्कशन हो रहा है वो एज ए पॉइंट चल रहा है, आप इसको अपने आंसर में पॉइंट्स की तरह यूज कर सकते हो कि इनिशियल लाइफ ऑफ जयसिंह सेकंड, आफ्टर दैट जयसिंह एंड मुगल सक्सेसिव बैटल, देन जयसिंह एंड भरतपुर रिवॉल्ट, एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जयसिंह एंड his contribution in the sector of astrology, means we can say that contribution of Jayasingh in the sector of astrology, okay, or we can say that for astrological development, contribution of Jayasingh for astrological development, okay. So along with a great warrior, great ruler, great administrator, Jayasingh was a great astrologer also, okay. And to study the speed of celestial bodies, to study the speed of celestial bodies, Jayasingh constructed an astronomical table, okay, means we can say that an astronomical table was constructed by Jayasingh to study the accurate speed of celestial bodies, okay. Along with that, Jayasingh also wrote a book based on astrology named as Jayasingh Karika, okay. Jayasingh wrote a book named Jayasingh Karika, and this book was based on astrology, okay. So we can say that on astrological elements he wrote a book named Jayasingh Karika, okay. Along with that, Jayasingh also built 5 observatories, okay. 5 observatories were also constructed by Jayasingh, which are situated in Jaipur, Delhi, Mathura, Banaras, and along with that in Ujjain, okay. Out of these 5 observatories, the most important one is situated in Jaipur. Now after that, if we talk about the architectural contribution of Jayasingh, then Jayasingh is related with the construction of Jaipur city, okay. Means Jaipur city was founded by, populated by, established by Jayasingh in 1727, okay. Means we can say that Jayasingh second was related with the construction of Jaipur city, and after the construction of Jaipur, he shifted the capital of Amer or Amer Riyasat from Amer to Jaipur. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Jayasingh was the last Hindu ruler who performed Ashwamedh Yagya in 1740 Common Era, okay. And for the residents of the Brahmins who were there to perform this Yagya, he got constructed Jal Mahals, okay. Jal Mahals or water palaces were constructed by Jayasingh for the Brahmins who were performing Ashwamedh Yagya. Along with all these kind of things, Jayasingh was the last Rajput ruler who tried to join all the Rajputs, okay. Means a meeting called Hoda meeting was organized by Jayasingh in 1734 Common Era, and in this meeting Jayasingh planned to confront the Marathas, ओके. तो सिंपल सा पॉइंट ये है कि जयसिंह जो है उनका एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत बड़ा है. जयसिंह ने 3 मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन इस सेक्टर में दिए थे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल टेबल, आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने एक बुक लिखी and the name of the book was Jai Singh Karika. Okay, और last one, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ 5 ऑब्जर्वेटरीज, यानी सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ की स्टडीज़ के लिए उन्होंने 5 मेजर ऑब्जर्वेटरीज बनवाई थी, विच आर इन जयपुर, उज्जैन, मथुरा, बनारस एंड दिल्ली. बिगेस्ट वन इज़ इन जयपुर विच वॉज इंक्लूडेड इन द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज इन 2010 बाई यूनेस्को. एग्जैक्टली, यानी यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट में 2010 में जयपुर ऑब्जर्वेटरी इंक्लूड हुई थी. इज दैट क्लियर गाइज? ओके. After discussing all these things about Jai Singh, now we are going to discuss about a major ruler related with the Rathod dynasty of Jodhpur or Marwar, which was Amar Singh Rathod. So Amar Singh Rathod was the son of Gaj Singh, the ruler of Marwar. Okay, Gaj Singh had 3 sons: Amar Singh, Jaswant Singh and Achal Singh. Achal Singh died in childhood. Okay, so there were 2 sons, Amar Singh and Gaj Singh. Amar Singh was the eldest. Okay, so Amar Singh Rathod. Out of these 2, Amar Singh was the eldest. Okay, means we can say that Amar Singh was the natural successor of Gaj Singh, but due to the influence of an Anara Paswan, Gaj Singh deprived Amar Singh from the throne and declared Jaswant Singh as his successor, due to which Amar Singh got annoyed and he went in Shahjahan's court, in Mughal court. Okay, and because of his bravery, Shahjahan was very happy and he adorned him with the title of Rai. So in this way Amar Singh Rathod became Rai Amar Singh Rathod. Is that clear? Okay. After that, a very important story is there related with the history of Amar Singh. यानी अमर सिंह की सब पॉइंट आपको जो माइंड में रखना है, अमर सिंह गज सिंह का सन एंड सक्सेसर था, यानी गज सिंह का बेटा था. गज सिंह के 3 सन्स थे, अमर सिंह, जसवंत सिंह और अचल सिंह. अचल सिंह की चाइल्डहुड में डेथ हो जाती है. एल्डेस्ट वन अमर सिंह था जो गज सिंह का नेचुरल सक्सेसर था, लेकिन गज सिंह एक अनारा पासवान के इन्फ्लुएंस में थे. ठीक है, और इस इन्फ्लुएंस की वजह से गज सिंह ने अमर सिंह की जगह जसवंत सिंह को, यानी पासवान के कहने पर गज सिंह ने अमर सिंह की जगह जसवंत सिंह को अपना उत्तराधिकारी, अपना सक्सेसर डिक्लेयर किया, जिससे अमर सिंह नाराज हो गया. एंड इन दिस वे ही वेंट टू शाहजहां, मीन्स मुगल कोर्ट में चला गया. शाहजहां उसकी ब्रेवरी से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है और शाहजहां उसको एक न्यू टाइटल देता है, दैट इज राव, और इसके बाद में अमर सिंह राव अमर सिंह बन जाते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? अब एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है जो अमर सिंह की ब्रेवरी से जुड़ी हुई है. ओके, तो अमर सिंह वॉज एब्सेंट in the Mughal court for 15 days. Shahjahan asked Amar Singh the reason behind the absence. Amar Singh replied that he went for hunting and that's why he was absent for 15 days. Okay, then Shahjahan asked him to deposit the fine. Amar Singh said his sword was his only property, means he refused to pay the fine. To collect that fine, Shahjahan sent Bakshi Salawat Khan. Okay, Amar Singh refused to pay the fine. Then Shahjahan asked Amar Singh to come in the court. Amar Singh accepted the order of the Badshah, means Shahjahan, and greeted Shahjahan in Diwan-e-Khas. Okay, meanwhile Bakshi Salawat Khan mocked at Amar Singh by calling him illiterate or ill-mannered. Okay, and because of that he became furious and cut the head of Salawat Khan, means Amar Singh cut the head of Salawat Khan, which is sword. he also attacked on Shahjahan, but Shahjahan got escaped, and from Diwan-e Khas he fled away in the Janana Mahal. Okay, Amar Singh, as a brave warrior, as a lion, rode there, and after that he moved outside from Diwan-e Khas, but he was betrayed by his brother-in-law Arjun God, okay, who killed him decisively for a reward. Okay, when the faithful commanders of Amar Singh, or the Sardars, soldiers of Amar Singh, came to know about the assassination of Amar Singh, then they all got annoyed and reached to the Red Fort. They entered from the Bukhara gate, and furiously they invaded the Mughal soldiers. But the Rajput soldiers were in minority in comparison of the Mughal soldiers. They were in hundreds. So because of that, even after fighting bravely, all these Rajput soldiers received martyrdom. Okay, Shahjahan got so terrified that he closed that door, Bukhara gate, with the help of bricks, and from that day the door became famous with the name of Amar Singh Gate. Okay, this gate remained closed for years, and finally in 1809 by a British officer it was reopened. Okay, so this is the story related with the bravery of Amar Singh. Okay, so most important element in this story are Salawat Khan. Okay, Salawat Khan, who dishonored Amar Singh, and along with that brother-in-law of Amar Singh, Arjun God, who betrayed him and assassinated him. Okay, Arjun God or God, is that clear guys? Okay, तो अमर सिंह की हिस्ट्री बहुत सिंपल सी है. अमर सिंह जसवंत सिंह का भाई था, गज सिंह का बेटा था, नेचुरल सक्सेसर था. गज सिंह ने नहीं बना तो अमर सिंह नाराज होकर के शाहजहां के पास चला गया. शाहजहां उसकी ब्रेवरी से बहुत खुश हुआ और शाहजहां ने अमर सिंह को राय का टाइटल दिया. ओके, आफ्टर दैट अमर सिंह 15 डेज तक एब्सेंट रहता है, जिसकी वजह से शाहजहां उसको फ़ाइन पे करने के लिए कहता है. अमर सिंह फ़ाइन पे करने से मना कर देता है. शाहजहां उसको ऑर्डर देता है कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट होने का. अमर सिंह वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद में अमर सिंह से डिसऑनरली बिहेव किया जाता है बख्शी सलावत खान के द्वारा, जिससे अमर सिंह नाराज़ हो जाते हैं. एंड फाइनली अमर सिंह बख्शी सलावत खान को मार देते हैं, और उसी स्वॉर्ड से वो शाहजहां पर भी अटैक करते हैं, लेकिन शाहजहां जनाना महल में चले जाते हैं और बच जाते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद में अमर सिंह वहाँ से जब बाहर आते हैं तो उनका जो साला था, उनका ब्रदर इन लॉ था अर्जुन गौड़, वो उनको धोखे से डिसाइसिवली असैसिनेट कर देता है, मार देता है. उसके बाद जब अमर सिंह के फेथफुल सोल्जर्स को इस पूरी इंसिडेंट के बारे में पता चलता है तो वो फ्यूरियस होते हैं और वो मुग़ल रेड फोर्ट में एंटर होते हैं. ब्रेवली मुग़ल सोल्जर्स के साथ में लड़ते हैं, बट एज दे वर इन माइनॉरिटी, संख्या कम थी, सो फाइनली दे ऑल रिसीव्ड मार्टिरडम. ओके, इन दिस वे द गेट फ्रॉम वेयर दे एंटर्ड बिकम फेमस विद द नेम ऑफ अमर सिंह गेट. पहले बुखारा गेट था एंड देन इट बिकम अमर सिंह गेट. इज दैट क्लियर गाइज? सो इन दिस वे, इन दिस वीडियो वी डिस्कस अबाउट two major Rajput warriors, Savai Jai Singh II and along with that Amar Singh Rathod. Okay, so guys, there are many brave Rajput rulers in the history of Rajasthan, in the history of India. So guys, it is very important for us to know the most important elements about them. Okay, and I hope that from this video you will get an information about the great Rajput rulers who were famous because of their bravery, because of their contribution that they made in the sector of art, science, architecture. Okay, so guys, if there will be any doubt in your mind while watching this video, you can write me in the comment section. I will definitely help you to resolve all your doubts. And one more thing guys, many students wrote me in the comment section that who was the first Rajput who married his daughter with the Muslims. तो सिंपल सा आंसर ये है मालदेव. मालदेव वॉज डिफीटेड बाय शेरशाह. डिफीट होने के बाद अपने एम्पायर को रीगेन करने के लिए इस्लाम शाह, जो शेरशाह के बाद में उसका सक्सेसर था, उत्तराधिकारी था, उससे वो अपनी बेटी की शादी करता है, जिसके बदले में इस्लाम शाह उसको जोधपुर का रीजन, मारवाड़ का रीजन वापस देता है. ठीक है. और यदि बात की जाए मुगल्स की, दैन द फर्स्ट राजपूत हु मैरिड हिज डॉटर विद द मुगल्स, देन दैट वाज Bharmal. Okay, so Bharmal Khachwaha was the first Rajput who married his daughter in the Mughal throne, means in the Mughal dynasty or with the Mughal ruler. And if we talk about the first Rajput ruler who married his daughter with a Muslim, then that was Maldev. Is that clear? Okay. So guys, about the remaining points we'll discuss in the next video. Till then, stay at your home, be safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.